Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss some important questions that have appeared in competitive examinations. The topic is compound interest. So let's get started. Akshara invested an amount in company Y for 2 years at simple interest rate 20% per annum. The entire amount obtained from company Y after 2 years she invested with company Z at compound interest rate 10% per annum for 2 years. If the amount finally received by her was 93,170 rupees, what was the amount invested by her originally with company Y? With company Y. The question might be looking very big, but the answer is very small and easy to solve. Let me explain the question with this flow chart. Akshara invested some money in company Y. The time period is 2 years and rate of interest is 20% per annum. She has invested for simple interest. After 2 years, she withdrew all the amount from company Y and she invested the same amount in company Z for compound interest. The time period again is 2 years, but the rate of interest is only 10% per annum. After 2 years, she received 93,170 rupees. What is the original investment, or what is the money she has invested in company Y? That is the thing we have to identify. Let's see how to solve this question. It was given that the compound interest for 2 years, we know that compound interest for 2 years is 21%, whereas simple interest for 2 years is 20%. Okay, 121% is 93,170. This is given in the question. We have to identify the 100% value. Why we have to identify the 100% value? Because 100% means the principal in compound interest. So 100 by 121 into 93,170. We get, here observe the 12 in denominator and 931 in the numerator. If we divide the 931 with 12, we get 77. Approximate value is 77. Let's multiply the 121 with 77. We got 99,317. Therefore, we can easily say that 121 into 770 is 93,170. Like that, 770 into 100 is 77,000. This 77,000 money is the principal in compound interest. We have to identify the principal in simple interest. So from the question, 140% is 77,000 and we have to identify the 100% value. 140% is the amount in simple interest. So 100 by 140, that is 10 by 14 into 77,000. This gets easily cancelled with 14 table, or even we can cancel with 7 also. So the final principal in simple interest is 55,000. Option B is the correct answer. This is the amount she has invested in company Y. This is the principal she has invested in company Y. Okay, I hope you understood the first question. Let's move on to the second one. The compound interest on a certain sum of money for 2 years at 10% per annum is 378 rupees. What is the corresponding simple interest? In this question, they have given the compound interest, that is 378 rupees. Compound interest, that is 378 rupees. Time period is 2 years and rate of interest is 10% per annum. And they are asking to identify the simple interest with the same parameters, with the same values. Let's see how to identify the simple interest. There is a famous formula to find out the rate of interest in compound interest, that is x% plus x% plus x square by 100. This is the formula to identify the rate of interest. Here x equal to 10. This is the given in the question. Next, when we substitute the 10 value in this formula, we get 10 plus 10 plus 100 by 100, that is 20 by 1 and 21%. So rate of interest for 2 years in compound interest is 21%. We know the value of 21 of this 21%. 21% value is 378. This is given in question, and they have asked to identify the 20% value. 20% value means the rate of interest for 2 years in simple interest. So 20 by 21 into 378. We can cancel with 7 table, and I have cancelled with 21 table directly. So we got 360 rupees. So the corresponding interest in simple interest, the corresponding SI value is 360. Option B is the right answer. There is another method to solve this question. Let's see it. That method is answer verification method. First of all, we have to identify the closer value with 378. The compound interest is 378. Simple interest will be lesser than 378. So we have to identify a value among these options which is lesser than 378 and which is closer to 378. So 360 is the right option. Let's take this 360 value. First year simple interest is 180 rupees. Second year simple interest is also 180, and we'll calculate 10% of 180, we get 18 rupees. So 180 plus 180 plus 18 equal to 378. Therefore we got the 378 value when we have selected 360 value. Therefore 360 is the simple interest for 2 years. That is the corresponding SI value. I hope you understood these two questions. Tomorrow we are uploading the part 5. Till then, thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.